Hey you guys, so today we're doing another hair review, and this time this was sent to me by BeautyForever. Okay, so let's just get straight to this point, because I've been eyeing them, but I'm glad they hit me up. So okay, this is another headband wig. I know I've been reviewing a lot of headband wigs, but who don't need a fast look? So don't do that. Plus, this is different because it's a color, and I did not do that before. And I've been wanting a color wig, so don't do that. So in here they give you a non-slip thing. This is the first that I've seen this. So all you have to do is put it on and put it under the band so that the band won't move. So this is pretty cool. And then they give you, I'm hot. They give you a cute little headband. This is cute to go with the wig. So, and that was pretty much it. Okay, so now let's get to the wig. Okay. Don't play with me. She's not one of them. Okay, stop playing because I'm going to eat the game up with this one. I've been wanting like a color wig. Tell me she's not fire. She's the queen to be. She doesn't have a stink smell. This is really cute. She got like highlights within the hair. So you got like kind of like blonde with the brown. This is really, really pretty. I'm loving this. It's a body wave, obviously. Headband wig, typically the headband wigs comes with, oh, this is a big comb. Normally the combs be like about this small. This is good. This is a big comb. Then you got combs on the side and a comb in the back, and you have adjustable straps as well. This is, this is a quick, simple review, but I just want to try to see the color. And she is super soft. Super soft. Super soft. Am I getting hair? I'm not getting any hair. I can't wait to wear her out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. She like is amazing how soft she is. Like seriously. Look at the ends. Ends are pretty good. I think this is 16 inches, but I'll put everything down below. And yeah, I mean, this was like, I think one of the quickest reviews, yes, because it's straight to the point, simple. I believe, I don't want to say nothing because then if it's wrong, I'm going to put everything down below so y'all can get all the information. The direct link to this hair. This is actually off of Amazon too. So I didn't even know they had like an Amazon store, but they do. So if you got Amazon Prime, bitch, you lit. She gonna come quick and easy, okay? But yes, so this is from BeautyForever. I don't know if I want to put a clip like beside me because I've been doing that like lately and I've been hyped that I could do it. So I'm probably not gonna do it. I'm probably gonna have a separate video showing this wig off and how I install it and little makeup tutorial with it, whatever. So look out for that. I love the band. I always love the band on these band wigs because it's, I don't know how to describe it. It's like super dry or something, and it's like kind of like spandex material as well, so it's like really comfortable. So I really like that. But yeah, this has been like a quick review. So if you like the hair, just down below, everything will be down below. I think they have a discount code as well, so I'll put that down below too. Am I forgetting anything? I'm not. Okay, so you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.